Ever wondered how billions of LED lights are made every year? Let's go inside a world smaller than a grain of sand, but brighter than cities. It all starts with crystal wafers, the hidden DNA of every LED. Precision here decides everything: brightness, efficiency, even lifespan. Then comes the tiny but crazy step: wire bonding. Gold wires thinner than a hair connect each chip like a microscopic circuit city. Next, we paint light itself. Phosphor coating turns invisible energy into the colors we see every day. After that, protection mode on. Apply the well-mixed fluorescent adhesive to the cup bowl of the support, protecting LEDs from heat, moisture, and time. But nothing leaves the factory without judgment. Every LED is tested: brightness, color, efficiency. Only the perfect ones survive. And finally, billions of them go out into the world. From your home to city streets, lighting everything quietly, efficiently, everywhere. Crazy to think, right? Something so small powers the entire world. Want to learn more about the technology behind LEDs? Subscribe to me, and I'll take you on a journey to explore more about LED technology.